Hi everyone, this is Aquila doing another demonstration of a video game assignment that I did for game programming, which was a paper that I did in the first semester of my graduate diploma of computing. It was a project that we did in a team of 3, and what we were kind of setting out to do was either an RTS or a turn-based strategy or some kind of game like that, but we kind of didn't quite realize the overwhelming amount of effort that would involve. So what we ended up settling for was kind of an RTS of sorts, just in the sense of having a sort of isometric view, being able to move characters around, select characters, and then sort of interact with other characters to an extent. But we didn't really do too much in terms of creating entire unit trees, stat trees, tech trees, all those sort of things, and also statistics tables and things like that, because we just didn't really have the time. So I might as well just go ahead and show you what we did do. So here we have our character, and his name is Chandler for some reason, and you can move around by pressing the right click button, and then you can see that puts that little white dot so you know where you're going, and then the pathing will allow you to travel to that destination. There wasn't really any collision detection involved in the terrain because we didn't have the time for that. You can see that if an enemy gets too close to you, then he will attack you and you will lose some health. But what you can do is you can shoot these enemies and kill them, and then that increases your score a little bit. So the one thing that you may have noticed when I kill people is the tracer that fires at them sort of goes off at a distance when they die, and that's just the sound of me reloading because I ran out of ammo. But if I kill someone and that wasn't really a very good demonstration, but let's see. So you might have noticed just there, when I kill him, the tracer goes off at some random angle, and the reason for that is that the tracer's timer for the animation of it is probably just a little bit too long, and it's remaining when the enemy is respawning, because all we're doing is we're just taking that enemy and bringing its HP back to full, and then we're putting it somewhere else on the map. So yeah, so this is more or less it. This is pretty much how the game works. So I'll just stop that. Well, let's just die, and I'll show you what happens when you die. Please don't hurt me, From Software. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. What else? What's worth talking about? Oh, I think we've got a little bit of a bug. Yeah, for some reason the game seems to bug out when you try to close it. But anyway, so we did that in a team of 3. We all sort of just had our own different jobs. One of my teammates was involved in making the main sort of game architecture. One of them was involved in making the pathing and the AI and things like that, and I was involved in most of the GUI sort of things, and yeah, just sort of interactions and just how the game looked and felt more than anything else. And I also did the music, which wasn't really something that we needed for a game assignment, but having some music definitely helps with making it a lot more of an enjoyable experience as far as a game is concerned. And with the tools that I've got for music making, I can whip up a track in a couple of hours, so it wasn't really a big deal. Just create a little loop and then just use that for the game. So what else is really there to talk about? I mean, we've got a whole bunch of different things here, way too many to really go over without making this video obnoxiously long. So I'll probably just leave it at that, and if you have any questions, then feel free to contact me at aquila.halpe.net, and just check out the contact screen. So yeah, I'll probably just sign off there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later.